What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Kevin Svenson here. Wanted to come to you guys today with an update, Bitcoin price update. Seeing a nice bounce in the price of Bitcoin this afternoon. Right now, if you're looking at the chart, right, we broke above 4250. Within two 15-minute periods, we found ourselves going from 4250 to 3700. Now we're seeing a little bit of a pullback here, right? So how do I see this? What are the possibilities here? What could result from this? Overall, I'm kind of looking at the charts like this, right? We had, we were trading down into this channel. We had this pivot point right here where we broke out of the channel right there, right? And now we came to this area and we're kind of just, our most consistent support area, most consistent resistance area being here. Now, the question is can this move result in more, right? Is this move just going to be a continuation of the bearish trend where we get rejected off of resistance again and trade down into this channel, right? Like, how is this going to play out? From the bullish perspective, there is a chance that we do something like this, right? There's a chance for this, right? Where we actually break out of the channel and shift to higher levels, right? We could see a shift, right? From a bullish perspective, you could see, basically what you could see is sentiment pick up again, a little bit of excitement, a little bit more of an increase in interest, which would cause a little bit more of a continued bull run here in the short term for Bitcoin, right? You could see that from a bullish perspective. Also, there's the possibility that we create more of like a pennant formation here and consolidate this way, right? But from a bearish perspective, the bearish perspective is still dominant right now, I think, right? We haven't created a higher high yet. We just got rejected off of our downward sloping support. Volume is just barely above average right now. It is a good volume spike, right? And as good as price spike. But, from a bearish perspective, we're not out of the woods just yet, guys. We're still sitting in this area. Like take a look at where we're at right now. If you just cover this price and pull it back, we're still sitting right smack in the center of the most significant support area, right? We're right in the middle. We are right in the middle of our most significant supports and our most significant resistances, right? So we're not really making that much of a move, right? That significant of a move right now, right? If you're looking at the chart like this, you can see that the candle looks really nice and bullish on its own because it's sitting here all alone on the chart, and it's just a nice green move to the upside. So it looks really nice, right? And this could cause some excitement and for a continued run, right? It's possible. This could be the start of the run that everyone's looking for to go to 5K. Like, I'm not saying this isn't going to happen, right? This could be the case right now, but we are still well within the bearish trend. We're just smack, guys, we are smack in the middle of our formation. Right? We're not really pushing out in either direction right now. We're actually right in the middle of it. That is how I see this right now. So I'm not going to get too excited just yet. I'm not going to get too bullish just yet. I'm still pretty skeptical of this. I want to see how the market reacts to this. What happens to the sentiment, right? Right. So guys, as you guys know, I've been accumulating, right? So if this thing bounces out, I'm okay with that. Not a big deal to me. I don't think it would last long term. If you guys were looking at my video I made the other day called the Bitcoin price scenarios, like if we did get a bounce here, I would expect that in second half of 2018, sorry, 2019, that we would actually sell off again. So, I'm not saying there isn't room for this, guys. We do have room right now. Like the most bullish case is that we retest our number one most significant downward sloping resistance point, which played a role in the descending triangle that we broke out of coming down into this area in November, right? So the most bullish case is that we actually retest this resistance, which would bring us back to about a 5K Bitcoin. I'm very skeptical though. I think it's very unlikely right now. I think it's very unlikely that this would happen. I need to see a lot more pressure from the bulls. I need to see the sentiment change. I need to see a lot of people getting excited on social media, which is starting to happen a little bit right now. But, right now we are still right in the middle of this area. Seeing a sell-off here is also very likely, right? And just consolidating in this range, more or less. So I'm not going to get too bullish just yet. I'm skeptical, guys. I'm still pretty skeptical of this. So we'll see how this plays out. Right now, I'm pretty neutral. Overall, I'm pretty neutral. We're right in the middle of our formation. Had a little bit of a move up, testing the top of that price channel, some resistance here, but we're right above our most critical support, right below our most critical resistance, right in the middle here. So, guys, it's pretty neutral in my opinion overall. So we'll see how this plays out, right? I'm not going to sit here and just get all bullish because we have a nice green candle sitting here all on its own and it looks nice and juicy, right? I'm not going to FOMO into this, right? But that's just me, guys, right? That's just me. And what I say should not influence what you're doing. You should just be looking at my videos as a secondary opinion, all right? Anyway, guys, I'll talk to you all very soon.